okusobola okuyimirirawo gwe mugaso gwe tulina okubeera mu Gagamel family is a Gagamel club. Gagamel club is a club that has been there supporting Bebe Cool and all the activities that surround me and all the people that surround me.
Okay.
So inzo kwangu li fani na yengo li fani wa Bebe Cool. You belong to the Gagamel family. The only difference is you're not registered in the circles, you're not registered in the group. So time etuuka waliwo fans ngabo bamanyi naawe nga bo tebasobola kubeerawo nga tebali directly in touch with the artist.
Yeah, true.
Kati najja nanoonya Cleberson namugamba me I want to be part of the project.
Oh.
Yes. Kati era naffe tubeerawo n'olaba nti ono abaddewo nga muwagizi bbanga ddene ate ayagala kuyamba abaana abamu so you bring them on board.
Oh. Okay, ngati
ennyimba kati I'm trying to empty the
recycle bin.
Over the draft. Like that song is now 2.5 years old.
Really?
I have to release these songs. Actually, in the next 3 weeks, Jakuban releasing another one. I'll be releasing 3 weeks or 4 weeks now for the next 2 to 3 years. Nsobola kwemptinga
draft
enyimbezo. Kubanga nyingi nnyo zibadde zitudde. Of course, I had a plan and I have a plan. But I need them out now. Though kati zisinga mayinga bwenze nkola nnyo music akwatagana n'okwagala. Because I believe in si wetambulirawo. If people could, for once, noweerabira ebirala n'ogaka ndowooze ku love, ekintu ekisobola okusortinga ebizibu by'abantu without them knowing.
So tekabadde about
ano
so tusubire aka birthday kumami kogera mukoyayo koka karidimu awo
tukyagenda myaka 10
because love you every day tuwatugamba yali kumami kati
definitely and that one is a daily thing era kikyagenda paka. That's why it's a non-stop song. It will live forever. It will stay forever. Not only her, it's a song. It's a song you can refer to anybody, kabe mama, tata, and at any time.
Okay. Ngatumaliriza ddala sokola di state of the nation address kubanga tulaba abantu batandise zikola gwe tetumanyi ndiro ogenda kwanukula bibuuzo by'abantu bonna.
Katulinde ekisibo kigwe njaba nukulanga ekisibo kiwedde bulungi nnyo kuba nange mbalengera bagezaako okunoonya relevance naye njaba ddamu ku time wetu.
Your last words to the fans and the family out there.
Thank you so much my our fans baffe abatwagadde nnyo mwebale nnyo abawishingidde mukyala wange birthday. We love you and we pray that mu kisibo kino Allah bawe kyonna kye musaba n'obulamu obulungi.
Amen. Alaikum.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Osiibye otya?
Bulungi. Wasiibye otya?
Nange nsiibye bulungi. Ekisibo kirungi?
Kirungi.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Leero lunaku lwa amazaalibwa ga mami ne tusalawo tukusaleko.
Yes.
How is it? Lwakedde utasobola olusemeko olulanga lwakedde omanyi gwe man full of surprises.
Lwakedde luli normal. Definitely kati of course nze fenga family tuba tukisuubira the night before. But of all olunaku lutuuse Allah tuyambe nti ffenna tuli balamu bulungi, family eri bulungi, bazadde bali bulungi, abaana. So it's a good normal day. Yes.
Omanyi abasinga babeera mukola nnyo surprise naddala kati nga ggwe mu tulubayo. Given the fact that tuli mu kisibo waddeyo surprise yonna yonna this time around.
Material surprise? Apart from the surprise ene y'abagagga family. Baddewo. Otherwise nze kati materialize sicha ina kinene kyenbaawo nti kino kiri. It is just to love and to even keep loving more. That makes sense to her or to my people. Maybe nebirala tewakyali kiri awo.
Birthdays baddewo nnyingi naye if we are to look natuzeeko emabega mu time, what might be different about this birthday ku ndala zonna zino ezibadde zibaawo eri mamizu?
A day like today, she surprises. Some things are funny, but maybe tuba tulina okugamba nti tubisuubire. Omuntu gy'akoma okula are becoming a better. Of course, she has become even a better wife to me, a better mother, a better planner, a more confident, family head, watch together. So definitely the day becomes different. At this time of life, ffe tuba n'ebintu by'otunuulira. Si ku celebrating a cake oba ki, naye oba celebrating omuntu oga si bye biri bye ntwalimu, oba si bye biri bye wali olowooza.
Tolina okajjwa kapate.
Ebintu byabalowooza birala nnyo 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 nnyo. Yes. So it's the most important thing nti omuntu yenna obeera n'omukisa ng'olina omuntu bw'aba akuze ng'akuze positively guba mukisa gw'amaanyi. So ffe tuba tulaba bye tuba celebrating ebyo.
What do you celebrate about her this year as a mother, as your wife, as...
That's what I've just said, that she becomes better in everything. As a mother, she's better. As a wife, better. Better ntegeeza better even decisions.
Okay.
You know, enkwata jatukwata fenanga family, putting us together. Nze ng'omwami, the conversations we talk about every day. Choices of things to do, investment-wise. Family planning, as in planning, as in planning for family.
Yeah.
Because Kati, you can imagine at her age now, 2 years ago, she's like, to planning, very important. Now it's the children.
The kids, yes.
So 2 years later, which is now, it is unbelievable. Of course, it's unbelievable. Era nti omukyala yakirabye maaso. Asajja mbetubeera nyaabo nti ate kati kuzimbira mwana nyumba ate kino okola. Naye bw'obeera n'omukisa n'obeera ne Zuena, it's a different plan altogether. And era bw'obeera nga buli wabweru, you can see the difference. Olaba ekintu ekiri specifically different ku baana bange. And it's because of her. So that's what I celebrate of her. Today. So I'm not worried at all about my family.
So you're not worried that even if you're, like, let's say for a tour for a whole year, she will take care of...
Exactly. God forbid, never man for the now, I'm sure.
Koko other birthdays. Which other birthday ojjukira ku Zuena n'ogamba, wow, that was another epic one. Now that you've grown, tochalinyo materialistic. Let's throw back.
Sinza kugamba this specific, waliwo zizo namuwa emmotoka, waliwo endala namuwa ennyumba, waliwo endala. But those were excitement days of ng'obeera excited about the you know, ebintu ebisanyusa omuntu ku myaka emito. Oba kitegeera. Naye kati ku myaka gino ekyenjawulo ekibeerawo nti omuntu yennyini gwoba celebrating. Ate n'ebino ebintu by'amaterial tuka time nga tokyalina ky'osobola kuwa muntu. Tewali biri. For example, I'll give you a good example. Katuli mu kisiibo. Temugende ku party. Teto flying out tulina abaana. We could have wanted a holiday. But every time, a vacation, every time we look at the little girl, Achali 5, you can't stay away for a week, both of you at a go.
Yeah.
Even if but usually what we do, since we met by the way, either when vao yabeera oba ye wavaawo nze mbeerawo.
Mufuna ddi obudde mu
kati ffe kizibu nnyo ffe okufuna obudde ababiri okujjako ng'abaana bamaze okuweza 7 years. Kati omuwala ono agenda mu 6, maybe in 1 year's time, then we can now start ogamba nti now we can have a time away from home, both of us at a go. So naye nga so far nga bwe nkugambye, for me, what I look at was the individual.
Yeah, the growth.
An individual who can grow me, not growing me in the eyes of the people, but growing me in the plans that we have for the family, of which I'm very sure now when you're married. Abantu bebuuza gayi nga mukaka mwenako ze. Bw'omala okubeera sure ku bintu ebimu, then oba mukakamu.
Tukire ku baana Rasta. Abaana olunaku leero, I know it's olunaku lwa kusoma, bomanyi bamucelebrating ze bati.
Maybe their birthday, they're always happy with her. You know, this family is a simple family. As in, mamizuye muntu akola cake tomuwe cake. Muntu kaina bidi tomuwe moto. Abaana tebalina kyebagamba, all they do give back is love. And Alpha posting and he actually put up a very beautiful message.
Yes,
and I was shocked and surprised. So that's how much kids can feel for a good mother. You know, for her, she never went to really to work. Yakolako only Queen TV as a presenter, and for probably a year or a year and a half, about that.
Yeah, 18 months, something like that.
Nabanga, she feels she was detaching from her children. So nabisazamu nakomawo nadda natandika okukolera waka. You can see cakes tuzikolera waka. Because it gives her time to bring up her children the right way, to see them all the way from the bed to the bathroom to school, back, plus her business. Because attachment is permanently between her and the children, even after Alpha is 19. But you can see how he has grown up with Gamba. So I think for them, they celebrate her being there for them all the time. It's a daily thing.
The post, let's talk about the post. Post so me worried not as a father.
Shocking.
Did you expect
he's so godly, he's so revealing with humanity. The post is full of omanyi okubeera omuntu ngali deep into life and humanity, which I didn't expect out of a boy of 19. Such a very good, strong message.
Do you expect such kind of similar message from the other ones, the little ones?
Yeah, definitely. My children are very bright, very good, and they're very decent, gentle. So I do expect that because, first of all, they read a lot, and we talk about a lot of things, and they're in the world of experience. Around me, mama, so I wouldn't be surprised if that's the direction in which they, like the girl. This girl has over 200 books in this house, and she reads all of them. She has read most of them.
Really?
Yesterday we were at her school, and she even bought 10 books. She made me buy 10 books, and I brought them back here. And then when I go to the bedroom, there are books and books. So, and even when you have conversations with her, you find that she's speaking totally things you don't expect her to. So, in other words, I'm sure there's more such messaging from them, and that makes me proud.
Kali katogera ku Gagamero family ne birthday surprise jekoledde Mamizu. How was the feeling? Because I know they've done this, I think, for years, but this time on maybe you didn't still expect it.
I did expect it because we are family.
Okay.
Yeah, only that she did not.
Oh.
Because for her, she thinks they do it for me. But this family is, my Gagama family is so cow. Twatankanga just internet, but it's like a house to lean on. Kwanga, it's not about Tituliba Luganda Wachi Kugamba, it's about care for a person in need. And indeed, it's about some of those people who are able to okolachi okugiving. It's kwegamba mugaga family mosango omuntu najja nawo omuntu ettaka
ebyaddala ku Lofit Rasta.
Yes. One time Hana yakera ku macha najja nangamba naloose nti nina ebyapa bibiri naye naloose ng'ekimu Katonda ngamba kiwe gundi nakikwata nakiwa Massamu
kujigattamu kiyitambisaaje
nemugamba gwe
oba
byaddala and I feel so happy, so I had to come to you first, then kwete Sam muwe kyapa muwe ne transfer forms najja nabimuwa. So many things are being done. Mbera awo mwantu nankubira okuveerira nangamba nti ngamba oltoli otanta ajendi Rasta inawo omulwadde njagala kuyambayo omuntu mu family mwana kyalina ekizibu. So that's how we live.
Okay.
So when it comes to such days, you sing olaba abantu are taking a time to appreciate the
family, yes, the togetherness, the love.
Obanga tufiiriddwa olabira the true Gagama family. Buli abaana bafiirwa oba onalwadde oba oli afiiriddwa mama oba taata oba muganda oba omuntu wa Gagama family ng'afudde. So that's what my dream was about this, though we need to keep growing it. Ebintu ebiseera ebisinga byetaagamu essente kuba family olina ogisupporting nga katulina sako. So by the end of this year I expect nja kuteekamu ssente ezitegerekeka so that abaana babaddemu mu Gagama family mu Gagama sako basobola okubenefitinga. Probably million nga bisatu obiteekamu. It's like a mini small bank where they can, because most of them are hard working.
Okay.
So nange nga celebrity manjagala okuba nti bwe mba nsobola okubayamba. Onoolaba omuntu nga ddala mukozi nga ssente zeetaaga si nnyingi nnyo naye nga teziyasobola okukolamu obulamu oba kwokya nnyama oba kukola